Alrighty, welcome to the video. Fair warning, this is a specific tutorial on how to upload my models. This may not work for other things, but I get a lot of people wanting to know how to upload my stuff, so here it is. I'm gonna try my best and go as fast as possible, so without further ado, here we go. First things first, you need the correct version of Unity. You're gonna need Unity Hub, you're gonna need Creator Companion, and you're also gonna need other things for avatars like Pyomi, Gogoloco, and VRC Fury. All of those things I just mentioned, I have linked in the description. Simply download those, unpack it, you know the drill. Once you have all of that downloaded, open Creator Companion. Go to Create New Project and Avatar Project. Name your project whatever you want, and you can set your project location to whatever. I choose to keep it normal. Once you open it, it should look something like this. You're going to need VRC Fury, so go ahead and click the arrow to add it. I also suggest having Gesture Manager, Avatars 3.0 Manager, and Easy Quest Switch. Everything else you can add or not, I don't really care, but these are the ones that I usually work with. Make sure that it is on the correct Unity version. For some reason, Creator Companion just really doesn't like to open it, so we're going to open up the Unity icon, which opens up Unity Hub naturally, and we're going to the editor version on the project I just made, and we're going to switch it to the current Unity that applies to Vrchat. So now we're going to open this project. This is going to take a minute, but it's going to open the project in a few seconds. Once it has opened up, you will already have the Vrchat SDK. Go ahead and log into your account. By the way, if you're having trouble logging into your account, use the username and email or password or whatever. Use whatever info you use to log into the website to log into here. Additionally, check if you're allowed to publish avatars. If you are a visitor or new user rank, you are not allowed to publish avatars. You have to be user or greater in order to publish avatars. If you want to go to a user rank immediately, I suggest buying VRChat Plus, and then you can cancel the subscription. It will immediately make you a user, and you'll immediately have the ability to publish avatars and worlds. Now, with that out of the way, you're gonna need the assets that I recommended, like the Gogoloco and Pyomi. Very simply, I just put them in a folder so I don't have to forget somewhere in my documents. Go ahead and drag Gogoloco. This is going to take a minute, but you can also, when you have imported everything and it's finished, go ahead and import Pyomi. Like this. You'll have this, just go ahead and import. Once this is done downloading, just click Pyomi, drag it, same steps. Now that we have Pyomi and Gogoloco there, for this example, I'm just going to use one of my models. I'm going to use Luna for this example. Now I have all of Luna's packages here. I'm just going to do outfit 1 to make this simple. Go ahead and drag it down. Shouldn't take too long. Import. All right, so now that Luna is there, we're going to click on Inky Pop's avatars. We're going to go to Luna, and you'll see this little thing here. This is a scene. Open this up. For this one, you're going to go to Inspector up here, and you're going to scroll down and make sure that this blueprint ID is empty. Then you're going to go to Vrchat SDK, and we're going to give this a name. We're going to do Luna Test. You don't need to do the description, and you don't need to do content warnings. Keep this private. Then we're going to have the thumbnail. Simply, you could just do capture from scene, capture, and then boom, you're done. But if you want to get a little fancy, you can click this right here, and it will say Avatar Image Camera. Click on that, click Capture. All you need to do now is click this box right here to upload it and build and publish. If you get this warning right here, just click Yes, Recommend. All right, so once you have all that uploaded, now we're going to upload to Quest. Most of my avatars are Quest compatible. You just need to switch it over and then change the materials. However, sometimes you will have avatars that have their own separate prefab for Quest, and I will show you how to do that in a minute. But most of my avatars are going to just simply need a switch over. So when you go to selected platform, click from Windows to Android. If you don't have this option, you're going to go up here to File, Build Settings. And you'll click here Android. somewhere around here it'll say something about like downloading it into the Unity hub. Just do that. It's going to take a few minutes and then switch to the platform. Otherwise, if you already have it downloaded, just simply switch it to Android and confirm. This might take a minute. All right, so now that we are in Android, now we're going to focus on trying to get this Quest compatible. Literally, the only thing you need to do is to click on model, mat, sometimes it'll say materials, and then you'll see this. Sometimes there will be other folders where it has another material, but to quickly just get rid of this problem, control mat in outfit 1 to select both, then click on hair text and then shift it over. Once you have all the materials selected, you're going to go up here to shader. You're going to go down to Vrchat, mobile, Toonlet. Now this has Quest compatible shaders on it. Simply click on the model, go to the Vrchat SDK. If there are any warnings over here, just auto fix them and you're good. Click on the online publishing, online and publish. That is literally the only thing you have to do. Very quick, very simple, very easy. However, like I've mentioned, sometimes my models will be a little more complex, and so they'll need a different prefab for Quest models. And I'm going to show you real quick how to upload them as well. For this example, I'm going to use Trix since she does have 2 prefabs here. So say you already upload Trix to PC and now you need to upload to Quest. All you need to do is go to the hierarchy and uncheck this, and then go to Trix Quest and then check it. And then make sure it has a blueprint ID. To have a blueprint ID, you would just need to click on the original and then drag down and then copy it from there, from which you uploaded it. I have nothing here because I haven't uploaded it. But when you do, it should look a little something like this, like avatar and then like all these bunch of like numbers here. So once you do that and then you attach it, you just simply, rinse and repeat. You go to Trix. Right now it says materials instead of mat. And then again, this one has the folder examples. So you just need to go to, for this one in particular, you need to go to materials, clothes, and Sarashi. All of the materials here are you just shift and then you can select them all. Ignore ones that look like this. This is a particle. This has nothing to do with Quest, so you can just leave that be. And then rinse and repeat. We go to the shader, Vrchat, mobile, Toonlet. Once you click on the avatar and you have all the materials switched, just go to Vrchat SDK and it will already have like the name and everything here. You just click on online publishing and then you can publish it. Hope this helps.